copy path. So I'll go to browser and paste it. Okay, guys. So since no one is having doubt, I will continue here. So next, okay, I will delete this, guys. Or else, okay, from today onwards, I'll do one thing, guys. So everyone concentrate. So I'll go to my GitHub account. Okay, I'll go to my GitHub account. Okay, GitHub, concentrate. So whatever I am executing from today onwards, it will be there in your files. Okay, github.com. See, guys. Okay, is it good, right? So whatever I type execute today, okay, so everything will be okay. Will be getting. Just you should go and download it. Clear? The same thing, whatever I am typing, every day I'll create new files. So the code, no need to take screenshots. Go to that particular website and copy paste it. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, okay, in Instagram, there is one page called WebVeda. So go and follow this page. There I'm updating, okay, web related resources like strings, what is strings, what is web, like this multiple things I'm updating. So the page name is WebVeda, guys. Okay. What is it? Web Veda. So observe here. So I will create one new repository, guys. I'll create one repository name. I will give you a batch code, guys. JEWA8. This is your web technology batch code. Okay. JEWA8, and I'll add this create repo. So understanding what I'm telling? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now audible, right? So someone is telling not audible. Is it audible? Reply no. ಇದು audible ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ if you don't reply. Okay, so observe here, I created one repository. So see, this is my repository. Okay, so here JEW8 is repository. How to search for this repository, you will get to know. Okay, so JEW8, clear? So here, guys, here, so now I'll go here. So this full folder I'm going to update now. Okay, so I'll go to terminal. Okay, so now here I will go with the git init. Don't ask me what is all those things. Okay, git init. Okay, git add dot git minus git commit minus m. So here I will pass, okay, as css first class. Okay, first class. If you want, you can go with this. Okay, first class. This is with that name you will get, guys. Okay, first class. Now let me check git status. Okay, nothing to commit, so I'll go here. Okay, git remote is go with that, copy this. then get push -u origin master. Okay, so done guys. See, the full folder is uploaded. Okay, the full folder is uploaded. If you want, you can go to the git. Okay, see, see JWA8, click on this. Inside this repository, see all the files, whatever I'm having, you are getting. Clear? So just go here, see, click on this first class. See, you'll be getting all HTML file and CSS code. Okay, go and download it, guys. Okay, go and download it. Understood, right? Yeah, HTML notes also I will share here only. So I will upload, okay, in that file only. HTML notes, go and download it. HTML also I'll share here. So how to first no see how to go to Git, just type git hub.com / okay Syed Imran okay 786 you should pass. What you should pass? 786. So just like this you pass. Okay, if you want your batch code, only your folder JW8 you should type. Okay, JW8, search for this. See, directly it will go to this repository. See, understood what to search in Google? Clear? Yes, guys. And please give stars here. Okay, whenever you download, please give stars. I will see how many students are there. 152 stars tomorrow. Okay, I want. If you don't give stars, I will not upload anything. Clear? Okay, guys. So observe here. First class. Okay, these are the first class first files. Done. So now observe here. Okay, we will go here. So let me create. So I'll close this, guys. I'll close this every day. Remind me at the end. I will upload. Okay, once comes completion of this. Okay, let me close this. Close this. Okay, and the notes is also uploaded. This one also I will upload every day. So now here, guys, observe here. I will create this one more file, or else I'll go to this only. So now concentrate here, guys. I will delete this. I'll delete this content. Everyone observe here. So now I will provide one anchor tag. I will provide one anchor tag. So here I will pass JSpiders. Here I'll pass JSpiders. Then so now observe here. Okay, let me pass some anchor tags. Okay, I'll pass JSpiders 1, JSpiders 1. Copy this and paste here. Okay, done. So we got this. Super. So now JSpiders 1, JSpiders 2, JSpiders 3, like this. I'll change this, guys. JSpiders 3, then JSpiders 4, JSpiders 5, JSpiders 6. Save this. Okay, execute this in browser. So now reload the page. Super, we are getting. Yes, sir, I don't want to display all these anchor tags in a same line. I want to bring it in different line. What I should do, guys? What I should do? What I should do now? Break. Yes or no? We have to break everywhere. We have to pass. So now, okay. So tell me, I will pass on HR tag here. Okay, HR tag. So now I'll pass here paragraph JSpiders. Okay, JSpiders 1. And similarly, I'll copy some paragraphs here. I'll change the name to JSpiders 2, JSpiders 3, JSpiders 4, JSpiders 5. So observe, these are the paragraphs. Okay, these are the paragraphs. Concentrate. I am explaining one of the important interview question. So you should remember. Why means many students, they don't know. Okay, so why it is. Okay, many students and many employees also, guys, who is working. Observe one of the important interview question. So now go here. Okay, save this. Reload. Wow, why it is coming in different lines? Why it is coming in same line? Tell me. Think and tell me. Today I will take only for this concept, but I will make you perfect. Why it is like this? Okay, remember this is interview question. What to do? Tell me. Why the paragraphs are coming in different lines? Why these tags are coming in same line? Tell me fast. Display was code inbuilt. Okay, guys, this is a behavior, right? No answers. Okay, no one has given the answer. So paragraph always start from next line. Define in paragraph tag. Since it is a paragraph tag, it gives a break after each tag. After one paragraph, okay. So that means what you are understanding here, guys. Will you agree with this point? Whatever I am telling now. In some, okay, in HTML, some HTML tags are there which are going to display in the same line, and some HTML elements are there which are going to display in the different line. Will you agree with this? Some HTML tags are there which are going to display in the same line. Some HTML tags which are going to display in different line. Will you agree with this point? Yes or no? Okay, guys. So there is one property, guys. There is one property. So in HTML, first I will tell you there are two types of elements. Okay, in HTML. Okay, in HTML. So here I will go, guys. Okay, here I will go here. So I'll make this as in HTML. In HTML, we have two types of elements. What are the two types of elements? Observe here in HTML. We have two types of elements. Two types of elements. Okay, two types of elements. So I'm not going to write any notes from tomorrow. Okay. So elements. So what are the two types of elements? Concentrate. Okay. First one is inline level element. Inline. Okay. Inline level elements. Elements means tags. Consider here. Okay. So inline level elements means what? Okay. Will be displayed. Okay. Will be displayed in the same line. In the same line and CSS. Okay, CSS properties will be applied only to the content. Then only to the content. So if there is any spelling mistakes, you correct it, guys. I'm not concentrating on spellings. Okay. So next. Okay. So second one. Observe here, guys. Second one. What to do here now? So here, guys. Okay. Second one. Block level elements. Remember, this is block level elements. What is block level elements? Always. Okay. Always. These block level elements always will be displayed. So it should be okay. Will, guys, always displays. Okay. Displays in different line. Then and CSS properties will be applied, and the CSS properties will be applied to the whole. Okay, will be applied to the whole block. Observe here. I will show you whole block. Done here. Okay, so observe here, guys. Concentrate, really. Okay, concentrate. See. So now in HTML, two types of elements are there: inline level elements and block level elements. The elements which are going to display in a same line is known as inline level elements. The elements which are going to be displayed in the different lines is known as what? Okay, block level elements. Then, so here, which element is block level and which element is inline level? Will you tell me here? Can you agree with me? Is this a block level element? Anchor tag is a block level element. Will you agree with this? Yes or no? Anchor tag is a block level element. Will you agree with this? Yes or no? Two kachada fellows. Some of the students, they are telling yes for everything. Yes. See, inline level elements means what? Will be displayed in the same line. Yes or no? Will be displayed in the same line. Is it displaying in the same line or different line? Different line or same line? So if it is displaying in the same line, so what we call it as, guys? So we call it as inline level elements. Okay, what type of element this paragraph is? What type of element this paragraph is? Block level element. Yes or no? So now for, see, block level elements means what? Remember, okay, different lines. So go here, guys, go here. So I will I'm having something called style.css. So now I'll go here. So I will select paragraph, already selected. Instead of color, I'll make use of background color. Okay, background color. Done. So I'm passing background color. Okay, let me make this as okay, background color as a red, guys. I will teach you what is this background color, how to use this background color. Clear? So now here, guys, now here what I do, concentrate. Here I will pass. Okay, here I will pass. So background color is done. So now same thing I will copy. Okay, and I will paste it for, and I'll change it for A. That means this background color is going to apply for this paragraph, and this background color is going to apply for this anchor tag. So save this and observe the output, guys, how it's looking. Reload it. Okay, I should import it. Okay, I commented yesterday. Save this. Go back. Reload it. So now tell me, guys, as I have given the definition part here, CSS properties will be displayed only, okay, to the content, and CSS properties will be displayed, okay, to the whole block. Will you agree with this point here? See, it is applicable. The background is applicable only to the content, but it is applicable to the whole block. Wherever you pass this, okay, block level element, it will be occupying the whole, okay, block over there. Understood this point? Yes or no? Yes or no? What is, will you, okay, differentiate now? What is inline level elements? What is block level elements? I think you have, many of you have this doubt, okay, in HTML I didn't explain over there. Clear? Yes, guys. So concentrate now. So why I am explaining here means, sir, why you are explaining in CSS means, in CSS, so however the elements are, they are displaying, right? Okay, how they are displaying. So we call this as a display behavior, guys. What is the behavior? We call this behavior as display behavior. What is the type of behavior it is? Display behavior. Clear? Display behavior. Understood this? Yes. Yes, guys. Okay. Now concentrate. Concentrate here. Clear? Okay. So now, why I am teaching here means, there is a property called display in CSS to change the default behavior of elements. So see, guys, aram se you can convert this, okay, inline level element to block level element, and block level element to inline level element. Aram se you can change. Clear? So observe here. So this is inline level element. Okay, this is block level elements, paragraphs. So go back. So there is a property. So I will use display block. See, display block. So tell me, if you pass display block, will there any changes to this paragraph? Tell me, guys. Will I get any changes? Already, okay, it is block level element only, right? Will it change the behavior? No. See, even if you refresh, no. Okay. So now if I change it to inline, that means now it will change the behavior to inline. Save this. Go back to browser. Reload. Is it changing, guys? Is it like inline level elements now? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So now, okay, I'll go here. I will pass for anchor tag. Display inline I will pass. Will I get any changes to this anchor tag? Will I get any changes? No, 100% no. So reload it, no changes. So now go back, make it as block. Okay, make it as block. So now it will convert this inline level elements to block level elements. See, it is displaying in different line. So sir, for paragraphs we were getting one line, sir. In between this, here we are not getting, sir. Why you are getting line for paragraph means, it's a behavior of paragraph to leave one line above and below the content. You know, right, that one? Yes or no? Understood this? So how easy? So you were asking, sir, how to bring the images to next line, sir. Next line, sir, we have to provide break multiple times. No, don't provide break. You fetch the image tag, make it as display block. Yes, sir, no? S. Okay, guys. So now we have one more value. So now copy. I will go with h1 tag, guys. Okay, I will copy this, or else I'll create one HR tag. Concentrate h1 into 6. Here I'll pass pi spiders. New concentrate clearly now. This is very important. Pi spiders. Okay. Now pi spiders 1, pi spiders 2, pi spiders 3, pi spiders 4, pi spiders 5, pi spiders 6. Done. Super. So now for this h1 tags, okay, I will apply some CSS properties. So same thing I'll copy and I'll bring it to, okay. So I'll change this to h1. I'll change this to h1. Then I'll make this as display block. Okay. So instead of display block, I'll make, okay, let it be display block. Okay. Remove this. I don't want the display property only. Done. So instead of green, I will pass. Instead of red, I'll pass green. So now observe and tell me whether h1 is a block level element or inline level element. Whether h1 is block level element or inline level element. Block level element. Yes. So now if you want to bring it to the, okay, same line, what we do if you want to bring this content to same line? So which property we use, guys? So if you want to bring it to the same line, okay, we use what? Display inline. So before passing display inline, let me pass height and width. Okay, height 200, okay, px, then width 200 px. I am passing. So save this. Observe here, we have a division with height 200 and width 200. So this divisions I want to bring, okay, to side by side. I want to bring in the same line. So what I should do? Tell me now. You tell me, guys. Tell me fast. What I should do? Display inline. So I'll pass display inline. Save this. Go back. Reload it. Wow, super. We are getting in the same line. Yes or no? Are we getting in the same line? So there is one disadvantage here. So what is the disadvantage? Tell me, guys. We don't get proper, okay, display here, whatever we want. Height is missing, width is also missing, you know. Height and width is missing. Yes, sir. Yes. So whenever you want, see inline, what it will do? Inline, okay, only it will bring it to the same line. But height and width, okay, it will not apply when it brings to the same line. Again, I am repeating, display inline will bring the elements to the same line, but it will not apply the height and width. Clear? Yes, sir. No, understood? No, sir. No, I want height and width also, sir. I want height and width also. Okay. I want height and width also, and it should be in the same line, sir. What to do? So nothing to do, guys. See, just there is a property. Bring it to inline. Okay. And let it be block. That means don't change the height and. You should use what? Block. Inline block you should use. If you use inline block, go back. So it will not affect your height and width. Is it super now? Clear, guys? Super, right? See, remembering the property is very important. You bring it to me, any kind of website you bring, okay, create that website. Not only with HTML, okay, CSS, there are multiple libraries for that. By using that, I will see. Okay, I will create. But I know how to do the things. Clearly, I know. Clear? Any doubts? Yes or no? Okay. So one more we have. Okay, one more we have. So I will go here. I'll pass for, okay, this one I am passing. See, PySpiders 3, I'll use style inline CSS. So here I'll pass display property, display, okay, colon, none, I will pass. So if you pass display none, it is used to hide the element, guys. So if you have observed some website, what will happen? Some of the elements will not be present. It will be hidden. So after performing, for example, why I'm dragging, see, observe, I will show you here. So I'll go for geek for geeks. Okay, geek for geeks. Okay, I'll go to first link. So, okay, guys, super. So now click on sign in, guys. Click on sign in. Clear? So if we do any mistake, it will display some error message here. Yes or no? It will display some error message. Yes. Do you have any error message now here? Wherever I am moving my arrow cursor. So is there any error message now? No. So now click on sign in. Wow. Tell me which attribute it is. Please fill out the field. Required attribute, right? So let me type something, guys. Here also I'll type some password. So see, there is no message. I have entered improper messages. See, click on sign in. Wow, we got one message here. Yes or no? We got one message here. Yes, now right click on this, guys. Okay, right click on this message box, error message box, inspect it. So see, guys, they are using something called bootstrap alert model. Alert danger. Okay, so this is bootstrap one. No need to remember. But if you want to use in CSS, see, guys, first we will hide this content with the help of what? Display none. And whenever the user, okay, is doing the mistake, then we will display that message. Understood? Then we will display that message. So now when you pass display none, the element PySpiders will be hidden. Observe here. Here, where it is. Okay, it's here, guys. Reload it. PySpiders 3, observe here as super. Is there any PySpiders? Is there any PySpiders? So they are displaying when the user did the mistake, guys. Okay, dynamically we require JavaScript for that. Understanding? So you can hide the element with the help of display none, or else we have one more CSS property called visibility hidden. What is the property name? Visibility hidden. So once I pass visibility hidden, by default visibility is visible, guys. Default value is visible. If you pass hidden, it will hide this element. So display none also you can use this. Okay, visibility hidden also you can use to hide the elements. But there is one difference. You only tell me by observing the output. See, this is visibility hidden. Reload it. So tell me, guys, what is the difference? What is the difference? Space. Yes or no? Display none is not occupying the space. Visibility hidden is occupying the space. So if you want, tell me, guys. Okay, display none is occupying the, sorry, display none is not occupying the space. Display, okay, sorry, visibility hidden is occupying the space. Will you agree with this point here? See, it is hiding the element, but the space is occupied with empty, okay, white space. Yes or no? But display none complete is not occupying the space itself. So both the things are good, guys. Both the things you can use, depends on your requirement. Clear? So now if you observe this website, you can tell me, guys, you can tell me whether they are using display none or visibility hidden. Okay, let me reload this page, guys. Okay, see, this form is not looking good, guys. You can create your own form. I will show you once. Let me complete CSS. Once I complete box model, no, I will show you how to create forms like this. So why it's loading this much of time it's taking? Okay, you only tell me you have observed now. Previously, it's taking some time to load the page. So you have observed previously whether it is display none or visibility hidden, guys. It was not there. It came display none. Why means the space was not occupied, guys. Space was not occupied. Understood? Oh, why? Okay, let me go back. Okay, leave this. I don't want to waste my time. You understood, right, the concept? Yes or no? Yes. So any doubts you have, you can ask me, guys. I'll give 1 minute of time. So then I'll continue with another concept. Okay, how to add background images. Okay, guys. Since no one is having doubt, I'll go here and I'll comment this. Comment this. Then, so now observe. Observe here, guys. Clearly observe. Yeah, correct. For one. Okay, observe here. Now, see, guys. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. So if I go to my page, this is okay. I don't want. Okay, let it be like this. If I go to my page, so this part belongs to header, and the part which is below this horizontal line, the whole part, is it belongs to okay the body tag? Will you agree with this? As yes. So now if I want to apply the background image to this page, okay, background image to this page, so can I use body tag? Okay, can I use body tag? Can I use body tag? Yes or no? Then so here I will use, okay, whenever you want to apply background image to your web page, remember you should use body tag. Okay, so body I'm passing. So let me fix this. Okay, let it be. Okay, body. So under this body, I'll pass background color. Okay, background color red. So now the color red will be applicable to whole body. So whole body, observe here. So this is my body. Applied. Super. S. S or no, guys? S. S. Sir, I don't want, okay, I don't want the single color, sir. I want multiple colors. I want multiple colors, sir. Then you comment it if you don't want this. Okay, there is one more property called background image property. Okay, it's showing background. Okay, BG, IMG, I will pass. Okay, background image property. So here we have something called linear gradient. See, background color, it is going to apply only one color to your background. I want multiple colors. So you have to use background image. Then you have to use linear gradient. And this linear gradient means what? Shades, guys. Linear means what? Line by line, I want shades. So now it is going to accept multiple colors, n number of colors. So let me pass red. So I will pass some colors like red, okay, comma, green, okay, comma, blue, okay. Then I'll pass yellow. Like this, I will pass some colors. N number of colors you can pass. So line by line, it is going to display the colors on the web page. Save this. Go back. Reload the page. Wow, super, guys. See, is it displaying here? Yes or no? See, you zoom in. See, getting all the colors here. Yes, line by line, you are getting the colors. understanding what I am telling? Yes. You can use this linear gradient, or else I don't want this line by line color, sir. I want the colors in circular way, sir. I want the colors in circular way. Just change this linear to radial. Radial means what? Radius. Okay, you'll get the colors in circular way. So reload the pen. See, if you zoom, you'll come to know. Getting? So proper thing, if you want, observe here properly, if you want to understand how it is applying. So let me create one paragraph. Okay, let me create one paragraph. Chase spiders, and I'll pass. Okay, instead of this, I'll pass p, and I will apply height and width here, guys. Okay, height and width. Height 100 px or else 150 px. Then okay, width, I'll pass width 150 px. 150 px. So now save this, go back. So now clearly you will understand how it is applying. Observe here, guys. Reload the page. Super. See how it is applying, guys. Visible. See, I'm applying to paragraph now. Is it visible? Circular way it is applicable, yes sir, no? Red, green, blue. So you pass whatever the colors you want. Again, it will come. Similarly, if you go with linear gradient, okay, if you go with linear gradient, line by line, here also, now you will can understand clearly how it is applying. See, line by line. Understanding, guys. So we don't apply colors like this. Just I'm explaining because this concept we use for another purpose. I will tell you why it is. Clear with this? Okay, so remember the concept. So after last two classes, along with the concepts, I will teach you, okay, one website. Okay, along with the concepts, on website I will open, we will design along with the concepts, whichever we have learned previously. These are the just concepts, you have to remember it. Clear? So now this is done, guys. This is done. You understood. I don't want, guys, I don't want like this. Okay, so I will go here. I'll make this as body only. Okay, I'll make this as body, and I don't want this height and width. So you understood this, yes or no? You understood this? Let me comment. So done, guys. So nothing is applied here. This body is empty. I want to apply background image, guys. I want to apply background image. So now here I will add some paragraphs. P into 200. Here I will pass chase spiders. Okay, save this. So 200 paragraphs I have added. See, yes or no? So just to create a scroll bar. Yes, just to create a scroll bar, I have added. Wait, guys, I'm getting a call of HR. ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್, ಇದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಗೆ ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಐ ಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಂತ್ರ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು 16 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ 17 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅಡ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೇಶವ್ ಸರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ? ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇವರು. ನಾಳೆನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಹ್ಞೂ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ. ಸರಿ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಹುಡುಗರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖಗಳು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮುಖನಾರ. ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು 6:30 ಮೇಲೆ, 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 6 ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರಿ ತಗೋ. Okay, guys, concentrate. So now just I have added some paragraphs, guys. I don't want this, just I have added, okay, to show the background image how it will be applicable. I'll go here. Okay, I'll add here. Body is done, right? Body is done. So now inside the body, I will add same background image only I will use. Now I'm adding for image, background image. So URL, URL. You can add whatever the image you want, but see, you have to use URL. If you want multiple colors, linear gradient or radial gradient. Now I'm using URL. So inside this URL, you have to pass the image. I'll go and I'll Google the image. Then I will add the image. So I'll go to pixabay.com, pixabay.com. So here I will, okay, get one image. This, which image I want, one good image as my background image. Wow. Okay, I'll type here background images. Images. Okay, this one I will add, this concentrate. Okay, this one, right click, copy image address, go back. Okay, so if you want, you can open this, okay, image here. I'll open image in new tab. Observe this image I'm adding as a, okay, background image to my web page. So I copied some address, right? I'll paste this address in double quotes, save this. That's all. You go back. If you reload your page, you will get the image. Yes, are you getting the image? Yes or no? Make this 100%. So, are you getting the background image, guys? Yes. No replies. No replies. Yes or no? Yes. So now, if you are getting a background image, so the image is repeating. Yes or no? Repeated. The image is repeated multiple times. So background image means it should be one image, right? So if you want, you should pass, see, you should pass one value here, guys. Background image, okay. Background repeat, no repeat, you should pass. What is the value you should pass? No repeat. Save this. See, if you want to repeat only on x-axis, only on y-axis, so repeat x, repeat y, you should pass. I don't want this. So I don't want to repeat this. So I'll go here. Wow, where is the image? It is present here, guys. It is present here. Observe. The image is present here. See, it's repeating only one time. See, this is background image. How you can understand the background image? See, the content is on the image. The content is on the image. Understood how to avoid the repetition of the image? Yes. Okay, guys. Super. So now concentrate. So now what I do next, guys? What I do next? Okay. The background image means it should be fixed to the whole background. Yes or no? So what I do, I'll go here. I will pass, okay. First, I will bring the image to center. Background, position, center, okay. I'll pass, okay, so background position. So I'll make this a center from the, okay, left and center from the top. Save this. Reload the page. See? Okay, it is somewhere in the center. See? Now it is centered to the page. Why? Means multiple content is there. That is the reason it is centered from the top as well as centered from the, okay, left. Understood this? Background position from the left, okay, center, from the top, center. So we have multiple content. If you have less number of content, okay, it will come to the center part. Clear with this? You're understanding, right? What is happening here? Yes. Understood, right? This one. But still, it's not a good way of adding this. Yes or no? So what we have to do, guys, we have one more property, very important property, background position, guys. What do you have to use? Background position. To make this as 100%, sorry, background image, sorry, background size, guys. Background size. So first value 100%. I want my background image to occupy the whole 100% width of the page. See, this is my 100% width. Yes or no? The whole 100% width should be occupied with the help of which property? background size. So first okay, value width. Same thing, I want my image to occupy 100% of height. So what will happen? Observer, save this. So it will occupy 100% height, 100% width. See how it is looking. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, occupied. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. But it is occupied till, okay, the end of the content, whatever you have. Yes or no? It's occupied, whatever the content you have. Till there, it's occupied. Yes. And along with the content, the background image is also scrolling. Percentage px are different. Okay, percentage means bigger value. It consider your web page, then it will add the percentages. Clear? Understood this, guys? So it's not a good way, guys. Again, the image is also scrolling. Observe here, along with the content, the image is also scrolling, and the image is not visible properly. So last, if you don't want to, okay, want like this, if you don't want to scroll your image, so one property we have, the property name, background, attachment, fixed. By default, attachment is scroll. Now the moment you pass fixed, so reload the page, see, you will be getting one good image. See the full image. See, now only the content is scrolling. Observe here, only the content is scrolling. Yes or no? Content is scrolling. Done. Clear, guys? Understood? Correct, right? Now image is looking correct. So if you go here, observe here, same image we are getting. See till here. Okay. So here, see, we are getting this. Yes or no? Yes. Are we getting? See, observe the end part. Here also observe the end part. We are getting the same image. So please go through this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll give 2 minutes of time to, okay, go through these properties. We have time, guys. Okay, we have time. I will explain some more properties. Okay. Okay, sir, can we use multiple image as background? No, you can't. If you want to apply image to your body, you can use only one image as background image. Okay. Then how to shift image from left to right? How to shift image from left to right means I didn't get you. So who is asking this question? Please, Anish Sinha. How to shift image from left to right means what? Hey Jyoti, till now I didn't teach. Okay, navigation bar and all those things. You're asking me how to add logo. Which logo you're asking me? Tell me. That is a JavaScript part. Okay, Bootstrap. I will show you slideshow images automatically. That is JavaScript part. That is the ones after completion of your mock. Only to those who has got 1 star. Remember. Okay. Sir, please share the GitHub link in group. I should not share. I will not share. I have shown you. Correct it. Or else at the end I will share in chat box. Okay. Because in group no. And you guys also, no one should share any link which I am providing to you guys in the group. The moment I will see anyone has shared the link in that group, I will remove that guy. Remember. And you will not be able to, until and unless my permission, no one is going to add you. You should not share any links which I am providing to you guys in that group, because many the students who are not attending also there, 250 students are there, but now you know how many are attending here. Okay, I'll tell you, wait. 160 are attending, except me 159. So that is the reason I don't want these guys to get all the resources of mine. Clear? Understood? So anyone, if you share, I will get to know, then I will tell you. Okay, sir, please share. Okay, IMG is there, is right side. I want to shift to left side. Hey, there is no space only. How you will shift this image? Huh? How you will shift this image to right side? There is no space only. Anish Sinha, how you will shift it to right side? Tell me. Is there any space on right side? Hmm? Then how you will shift it to right side? It's occupied whole your web page. You are asking me to shift to right side. Okay, guys. So now concentrate. Okay. So I'll go to one more part. So actually, why we use this linear gradient, I will tell you. So I will observe here. Background image, I will go with this linear gradient. Okay. So linear gradient, I will take. I'll copy this. I'll copy this and I'll paste here and I'll provide on comma. So now save this, guys. Save this. Now the first preference. See, when you pass both the URL and linear gradient, the first preference will be given to linear gradient, and it will be applying, okay, the colors. So reload the page. See, it is applying the colors. Observe here, it is applying the colors. Yes or no? Yes. Is it providing first priority to linear gradient or else URL? Okay, it's giving to first priority to what? Linear gradient. So now, so why we use this linear gradient, where we use observe here. So instead of this, guys, I will change these values to RGB values. Observe here. I'm changing all these values to RGB values. Okay. Observe here. What is RGB values? You'll get to know, guys. What is RGB values? You'll get to know. I will tell you. So again, I'll change these RGB values. Okay, color to RGB values. Here also, the color to RGB values. See guys, RGB means these are standard colors. RGB means what? Standard colors. Okay. RGB means what? Standard colors. So R means red, G means blue, okay, G means green, B means blue, okay, B means blue, and okay, one more is there. So see, first value belongs to red, second value belongs to G, third value belongs to, okay, B. So that is the reason, since you are using red, so the value is 255, highest value it is. 255 is highest value, 0 is, okay, lowest value. 0 means no color. 0 means what? No color. So now observe here, RGB, if you pass 255 maximum means it is dark red color. So 0, 0, no color. I want only red color. Similarly, G means what? Okay, you are adding some 128 here, some shade of green color. And I don't want 0, 0. Red color I don't want, blue color I don't want. So when you go for blue color, see, B is, okay, here 255, dark blue. And I don't want any color. So same thing, if you go for RGB, blue, yellow color, this is the combination of red and, okay, green color. Yellow color is combination of red and green color. So like this, you can use RGB values. Why means we can't able to remember the color names. That is the reason we go for RGB values. See, still same output, no changes. Understood? Still same output, no changes. Clear? So now why we use this RGB values? Observe here, guys. Observe here. Now you will get to know. So observe here. I'll go to my source code. There is one more, okay, thing called A. Okay, I'll add one more A here. Observe here. I'm adding one more A. So what is this A? A means alpha. A means what? Alpha. So alpha value, see, alpha value starts from, if you want, observe here, alpha value is there. Observe here, this is alpha value. See, this is alpha value. Is it increasing here? Alpha value, is it changing? Yes or no? Observe color picker here. Okay, is it changing? Alpha value? Yes. Done. So see, maximum is what, guys? Alpha value maximum is 1. Minimum anything 0.00000 like this. 0 is minimum. Maximum is 1. Okay. 0 is 1. 0 is a minimum. Maximum is 1. So it is used for transparency of the colors. It is used for transparency of the colors. Observe here. You observe when alpha value is reducing, the color you are getting transparency. Observe here. If you increase, you will be getting color over there. See, this is a little bit of color you are getting. S, the dark. So 1 means maximum value, dark, full dark color. Understood this alpha value? Yes or no? Yes. So now observe here. Now let me pass 1. Okay, 1 means same color only, no changes. Here also 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Okay, 1. So I will not get any changes, guys. I will not get any changes. Reload it. See, no changes. So no changes. Why means alpha value is 1. So now let me reduce the alpha values. So transparency, guys. What will happen? So we are applying background image. Okay, we are applying background image. So this background image should be visible through this colors. Through this colors. So I'll make transparency. I'll apply transparency to this colors. So I'll go here. I'll make this as 0. Okay, 0.5. I will use whatever you want. You can use 0.5. So same thing. Okay, I will pass 0.5 only for everything, guys. Okay, copy this. Here also I'll pass 0.5, 0.5. So now through these colors, the image will be visible. Save this. Go back. Reload the page. Yes, see, are you getting the shades here? See, red, green, blue, yellow. See, through these colors, the background image is visible. Understood? Yes or no? What is the use of this background? Okay, linear gradient. So now the colors are displaying in circular, okay, line by line. I don't want line by line. I want in circular way. Change it to radial, okay? Change it to radial. change it to radial, save this, go back, reload the page. See, now you are getting the colors in circular way. See, done. So like this, okay, if you see any shades on the background images, they add, okay, that they will be adding the shades with the help of this radial gradient or linear gradient, but they are using alpha value. Remember, they're using what? Alpha value. So I hope you guys clear with this. S. And remember, whenever you are adding, guys, so minimum 2 colors you should pass. For one color it will not work, minimum 2 color you should pass. And one more thing, okay, this should be first, then only you should pass background image. Linear gradient should be first, then only you should pass background image. And one comma should be there in between linear gradient and URL. See, one comma should be there. And the colors whatever you are passing, okay, 2 colors should be there, minimum 2 colors, maximum, okay, anything. Clear with this, guys? Any doubts here? Yes or no? Yes, guys. Clear. So guys, our HR is waiting. So for requirements, listen to him. Announce ಮಾಡಿ Vignesh.
Candidates, note down the company name Bloom, BLUME, Bloom Global. Okay, so BLUME, Bloom Global. 60% throughout. 19 B Tech, MSc MCA, ISCS ECIT. Skills core Java completed candidates. Interview and job location Bangalore, but currently interview rounds will be online process. Okay. Package 4 to 5 LP, only 2019 pass out for B Tech. Okay. And the same requirement MSc MCA 2020 pass outs they asking. Same criteria, 60% throughout. 1920 MSc MCA, only MSc MCA. Any stream, core Java completed candidates, package 4 to 5 LPA. Okay, interrounds online. So matching candidates, immediately text me and register within 30 minutes. Okay, the requirement gonna close. Okay, so fast. So that's it, sir.
Vignesh, thank you. Okay, guys. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. We will wind up. If you don't have any doubts, okay, you can leave the session. So before that, let me upload. Sir, can we able to increase or decrease the transparency of background image? Background image transparency you cannot do. Okay. If you want transparency on background image, okay, you have to use this alpha value also, which I have shown now. Clear? This alpha value only you should use. So let me okay, update it to Git, guys. Okay, let me update it to Git. So now where is my command prompt? Okay, here only I'll open GitHub link also I will share. Okay. So first let me terminal. Okay, here I will pass git status. Okay, I should add git git and dot all. See guys, I'm committing it as a CSS second class. Okay, if you want these files, go to second class. Then next git okay guys. Okay guys, observe here. See this one. Okay, I'll share the link. So you'll get here. Okay, you'll get it. See, reloaded, right? See, second class. So whatever I have added, see, this is first class. If you want to go for first class, so now first class, second class. it's second class, so I have changed. Okay, you should change this index.html. Say added. Okay, all these things I have added. Okay, I will create the new files from tomorrow. It is overriding. Okay, so now if you want CSS, it is here. Clear? Okay, the link you want me to share. Copy this, share here. Okay, not there. I have shared GitHub link. See, check it out once. Everyone got? I have shared. Hey, I have shared. Observe. Chat box. You check in chat box.